Hello, I'm back. So, how y'all been? Good, me too. So, furthermore, 2020 has come and gone. I didn't film anything like I said I would. I'm sorry. I was just having too much fun. What I can offer you is, I'll give you a nice little peek at all the souvenirs I bought. Okay, so here's the tiny bit of souvenirs I got from Furthermore this year. Got 3 cute little pillows. 2 are Spyro, and 1 is a train. Not sure why I really wanted the train, but it looked cool. But yeah, you flip them over and there's different pictures. Let me show you. There's one right there. And Spyro doing this. There you go. And then the train's gonna do this. Yeah, there you go. And I also got myself a brush and some bubblegum flavored fursuit spray. Very nice. And also, there was a nice gentleman who took my picture at last year's Furthermore, and he got me a nice physical copy of it. So I got that. I was posing with some fellow Dutchy friends. Very nice. And then this year, I got my picture taken, and here are the physical copies of the special photo booth they had, where these really 2 talented dudes had this cool light effect. And since the theme of the convention was space themed, I thought, why not pose for some pictures in a spacesuit? So yeah, there you go. So yeah, those were all the souvenirs I got from the event. It was good times. So with that out of the way, let's open up some blind boxes and bags! Woohoo! Yeah! Ha! Yes, that's right. It's been a while since I've done this, but today we've got some blind boxes and bags to open from the movie Birds of Prey. I saw this movie, and I've heard some mixed reviews, good things and bad things, but I liked it. I thought it was fun. I'm not a huge DC, I'm more of a Marvel kind of fan, but, thought I would check out the movie for fun, and I enjoyed it. Well, I've seen a lot more of Marvel movies than I've seen, but doesn't matter. Superhero, comic book stuff, movies, I enjoy. It's got action and adventure, and yeah, so I thought today I would get some fun merchandise from the movie, and, so yeah. Let's see what we got. We have here 5 boxes, and I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these little collectible bag clips. And then we got the figures right there. So let's see who we get. All the options. I don't remember all the character names, but there's some mystery ones and all these characters here. And then let's see. And here are all the options for what I could get in here. So, how about we do the boxes first? What do you think? Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Alright, let's start with lucky number 1. Oh, I know how to open. I can do it. Yay. What's it feel like? I don't know. Do I need scissors, or I brought them just in case. Oh, nope. Da-da-da-da! It's this guy! Nice! He's Roman Sionis, I believe. I really liked how this guy was portrayed in the movie. He was pretty scary. Very cool. Very cool. Alright, there's one. Let's move on. Here we go. Another box. I never saw Suicide Squad, but I don't think you need to see it to be able to understand and enjoy the movie. I mean, it was alright. Oh, who do we got? Who do we got? Who's this? Who's this? This is a Goyle with a bat. Cool. Very cool. Yeah. I can't remember her name. Are the names on the boxes? No. Okay, just the numbers. So I got numbers. I got this one right there. Nice. Okay. Next! Oh my god. Okay. Let's see. And who's this? Oh, that's another one of the. Her name escapes me, but I know it. I should know it. Does the arm move? No, of course not. Why would it? Huh? But yeah, cool. I got her. Very nice. Huntress, I want to say. I could be wrong, or maybe I'm not. Who knows? Doesn't matter. Let's keep moving. All right. Let's see. We're getting there, kids. We're getting there. Whew, it's getting hot in my room. I love springtime. Oh god. Oh no. I killed her. Oh no. She's okay. There's two of you. It's alright. If one of you dies, I have another one. Just a little concussion. She's okay. Nice. Alright. I can reach. One more. One more of the boxes. Here we go. Who are we gonna get? Who are we gonna get? I don't know. Let's see. Yoink. Let's be gentle. Oh. Alright, so. In conclusion. We got two of these. Two of these. And one of these. Nice, not bad. Okay. Now let's move on to the other ones here. Let's get these. I probably don't even need scissors for this either. Unless I can see a spot where I can open it. If not, I'll just use scissors. I can do scissors, it's fine. Focus. Oh god. Really? What am I doing? Let me try that again. I didn't do it good enough. There we go. Nice. It's better. Alright, who are you? You are... Da-da-da-da! Oh. I like the eyes. These are like more cutesy. Oh, very nice. Very nice. I like it. So yeah, I got you. Very good. Next. Wait. These have the names. Huntress, I was right! Her name is Huntress. Cool. So who's the one with the bat? Is the lady with the bat on this one? Black Canary, I'm guessing. Yeah, that was Black Canary. Okay, cool. Yeah. And, alright, Huntress and Black Canary. Cool. Alright. Now I know the names. Let's open up this one. Let's see who we get. Who do we get? Have I lost y'all yet? Y'all still watching? It's fine. Ooh, it's a dude. Your name is... How do I pronounce that? I'm not even gonna try. Okay. Oh wait, what's in here? Oh, it's just this. Okay. Cardboard. Nice. Okay. Cool. All right, we got two of those. All right. 4 more to go. No, wait. I can count. 3. 3, you dingus. You opened up 3. There's 3 more left. Hello. Yes, I can math very well. It's the beaver. Nice. What's the beaver's name? Beaver and Tutu. That's all it says. Okay, cool. Beaver and Tutu. Nice. All right. Okay. What's next? What's in store? What do we got? And we got, ooh, the Black Mask. Roman Sionis again. Except he's wearing his mask. Nice. So scary. Although, not with those eyes, though. It's not really as scary, but kind of scary. Boo. Okay. Nice. There we go. Okay, good, good, good. These were the ones I was really hoping to get when I first initially wanted to buy all these packs. And so, I've been successful. Yay. Alright, one more. One more to go. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? I don't know. Gotta find out. Here we go. A 1 and a 2 and a 1, 2. Oh my god, it's another black mask! Ha ha ha! Nah, I'll take it. Okay. Alright, that was fun. So, yeah. Okay. Hi. How's it going? So, this is the following day after opening all those bags. I just realized while picking up all the pieces of all the wrappers, I didn't open one. I thought I'm a dingus. I am an absolute potato. So there's one more. Let's open it and see who it's in there. Ah. Do. I am a dork, and that's okay. Alright, who's this? Who's this? Oh, it's the hyena. It's Bruce, right? Is that his name, Bruce? Let me check real quick. Bruce the hyena. Nice. Very good, very good. Okay, so yeah, now that's all of them. Yeah. Thank y'all so much for joining me on this little Bucks bag opening adventure. Hope y'all have a great day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.